You see something different? I recently just shot the new makeup ad for my shade Androgyny. Now that liquid lipstick, I've never gotten a response in the entire year that my brand has been around. That shade is just like exploded all over the internet, and there was even a petition on Beauty List to bring it back. So of course I can never say no to you guys. Androgyny will be coming back in February of 2016. So I recently shot the ad for that, and I had my hairdresser do a few wigs for me, so I'm playing around having some fun. I recently cut off my hair a few months ago, and I do miss it, so I'm gonna be changing up my hair a lot, trying new things, trying things out, girl. Today we're gonna do a full glam purple smoky eye with a nude lip, and bitch, we're gonna glow to the fucking gods. So if you wanna see how to create this crazy mess, keep watching. Before I do any of my bright eyeshadows, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Kat Von D High Voltage Eye Primer. And I'm just going to be using some MAC 2 by 2 brush to apply it. A dot covers your entire lid, so do not overuse this product. And I like to take a little primer from the excess of the brush and just kind of sweep it under my eyes. Alright, let's get started with the eyeshadow. As always, I'm going to take a really light eyeshadow and put it from the brow all the way to my lash line, and today I'm going to be using this really white color. It is like pure coke, and this is from the Viseart 08 Editoriall palette. I love this one. If you've never tried this brand, bitch, you're missing out, because this shit blends like coffee cream. Now, y'all know I like to go all the way to the brow bone, so as I get up top, I'm going to blend out this shade. Alright, now let's move on to some purples. Now to start off, I'm going to be using Makeup Geek's Highwire with this MAC 219 brush. Now I love these pointed brushes because they easily get in the corners. So I'm going to just start packing it on the bottom corner and on the top. Let's dampen this a little bit. Okay, let's have silver. And I'm just going to pack and pack and pack this on. Alright, now it's time to start adding in the purple. We're going to start laying down the foundation of our purple eye with Caitlyn Rose. Now I love to saturate my brush completely before I start, and then I'll knock out the fallout. Bye! Now I'm going to bring this purple all the way down to the lash line, just a little bit here, but it kind of creates a C-like movement. Alright, now we're going to soften these harsh edges on the top. We're going to be dipping into Masquerade eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to take this on the brush and I'm going to go over what I've already done and just start dragging it up so it just gives you that more airbrush appearance and a really nice soft blending. Notice how I'm bringing it a little bit down on my nose. Now I'm going to go back with that light color from this palette, and I'll be going back and forth and just blending and buffing it out until it looks super airbrushed. Now I'm going to be taking MAC Smolder eye pencil, and I'm going to be just putting black in my waterline. We're going to use that to buff down and mix the purple shadow so we get that really grungy smoky eye. We're going to take the beauty blender. We're going to lightly just pull really light, you guys. Now this does not have to be perfect, as we are going to blend over it basically. So as long as the waterline looks good, you're good. Alright, now let's start putting some purple shadow under the eyes. Now I'm going to be using this Tom Ford 14 eyeshadow brush, and we're going to be mixing in Caitlyn Rose from Makeup Geek with the Viseart shade down here. Now this is like a purple with a little red undertone. I love it. I'm going to dip this first. Then we're going to go back in here and we're going to dip in. So my brush basically has two colors on it. I'm just going to start buffing and dragging this over the black liner and using it to smudge it out and create some purple amazingness. Now I'm even going over a little bit of the silver just so it mixes in with the purple, so it stays looking really smoked out, but then has the purple effect to it. Now I'm going to take that same MAC 224 blending brush, and we're just going to take a little bit on here, get rid of that fallout, And I'm just gonna put it right under the eye and blend and mix those together so it looks really airbrushed. Now I'm using a lot of purple. I'm trying to get my eyes to look exactly like promethazine coating mixed with Barney having 5 children. Voila! Now to create some dimension in my lids, because I do have deep set eyes, I'm going to be taking Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in Drama Queen with this Morphe 514 brush, and we're just going to add a hint of darkness in my crease, just right there. I'm just going to tuck it in, nothing too crazy, but I do like to give it a little more like hello. Alright, let's put on some lashes. Before I put on my lashes, as always, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to coat the top and bottom. For lashes today, I'm going to be using Lily Glitchy's 3D Style in Monaco. I love these. They're really bold, really dramatic. We're just going to paint on some glue, and we're going to wait for them to get a little tacky. Wave our hands like we just don't come. Okay, lashes. I love how these look. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the Morphe M310 fan brush. I love this. This is really nice to just chisel. I'm going to be using Mac Daddy's Artist Couture line, and this shade is called Gold Digger. So, as usual, I'm going to put this right above my contour and in between my highlight, and I'm just going to pack this on. Ooh, this is vicious. Now, usually I would take my highlight and put a little bit under the brow, but I want to stay really matte here and really glossy here. So I'm just going to take some and do it right on my cupid's bow, and I'm just going to do a little bit at the center of the nose. Now that we are shining bright like a diamond, I am ready for the lips. For lips, I'm going to be using my own velour liquid lipstick from my line, and this shade is called Posh Spice. This is a really nice nude. It's very gray based. It's like taupe and gray mixed together, and I think it's perfect for when we have bright hair, bright eyes. Let's tone it down a little bit and do a nice nude lip. Lips are officially done. And now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm ready. This look is complete and I love it. I love purple, I love color. I really wish my hair was really this color, so I'm gonna have to see what we can do about that. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't believe how receptive everyone has been to me doing makeup tutorials, so thank you all much for all the love. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments below. I love talking to you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah.